Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on MEIZU mBlu 21. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings, then click on Google Assistant and now go to Voice Match. Then click on Hey Google and click on More and I agree, then click on More and I agree again. Now click on Next and click on Retrain Voice Match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click Next. And now click on Back and go to Lock Screen. Then click Yes, I'm in and make sure to enable this first option. Then go back and go back again. Then click on Gemini. And here you can select what do you want to open this with. And now you have to scroll down and click Continue. And scroll down again and click Use Gemini. And my Gemini should be now enabled, so now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.